Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Exness trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Exness trading app on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, you can sign up using your Google account or tap on the register button for a manual sign up. Then you will need to choose your country of residence and confirm your nationality. Once you continue forward, you will then be allowed to enter your email address. Type in your preferred email address and click on the continue button. And now you can type in your desired password for your account. Just type in your desired password and make sure that all of the criteria that are mentioned are met. Now tap on continue once again. And now you can set up your passcode. After entering your passcode, type it in once again for confirmation. And now provide your biometric verification. After this, you will successfully be signed up to your account. Make sure to verify your account by going into the profile option and then tap on verification. Now tap on the complete button to verify your email address or your phone number. You can tap on send me a code, which will then send you an email within the address that you have used. So check your inbox and you will find this code. After entering this code, you can then verify your phone as well by following the same steps. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Exness trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.